Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial on my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to scale, how to flip, and how to rotate your video or images using Filmora 12. Okay, so this is a tutorial for beginner who don't know anything about Filmora. And if you want to try Filmora 12, go ahead to the link in the description or download the software at filmora.wondershare.com. Alright, so let's go to my computer screen. Alright, so this is my Filmora 12 example project, and by the way, I'm currently using the classic layout. If you want to change the layout, you can just click here at the layout option and change it to the default if you want, but my favorite is the classic layout. Alright, so for example, at this position, I want to add a video as a B-roll for this talking head video. Okay, so all I need to do is to put the playhead here, and then I'm going to find stock media. For example, I want to use this one, so I can just download this one in the stock media. And then I can just drag and drop it onto the timeline. Okay, just put it on top of your video to play as a B-roll. Okay, and keep the project setting. And this is a video. The first option to transform your video or image when you edit to the timeline is to select it at the preview window. So it is very simple. Just click here, and then you have a rectangular here. If you want to scale it down, you want to click here and then scale it down. And you can also move it to the center of the video, and you can even rotate your video right here. Okay, so it is very simple, right? Alright, so this is the first way to transform your video or image in Filmora 12. And the other way is to use a property. Okay, so if you want to access to the property of the video, you want to double click at the video here, and then this is the property of the video. At this property, you will have some option. On top here, you have 4 main tabs. The first one is for video, the second one is for audio, and the next one is for color, and then speed. So if you want to adjust the transformation of the video, you want to click at the video tab here. Okay, at the video tab you will have some more tab. The first one is a basic, second one is a mask, and the next one AI tools and animation. And in order to transform your clip, you want to select the basic one. So here at the basic one, you have the scale. At this scale option, you can scale up or scale down your video with this slider. Okay, so it is very simple. But sometimes you just want to scale up your video horizontally or vertically. You have to click this button to unlock the scale. Okay, just click here and then you can scale it horizontally with this slider. Easy, right? And you can also adjust the scale vertically with this slider. Very nice, right? And if you want to reset the scale, you can just click this button. This is a reset button for the scale. Okay, so it is easy, right? And you can even reset the transform of your video also. Just click here. So this is a video. So that is for the scale of the video. And what if you want to adjust the position of the video? You can adjust it right here also. For example, I want to move it to the right, and I want to move it down a little bit. Okay, so this is for the position, and you can even click here and then adjust the position. Okay, so it is also very easy. And the next option in the transform tab is the rotation. For example, you can adjust this rotation to rotate your video or stuff like that. Okay, you can make it 180 degree right here, so it will be top down. So that is for the rotation, and you have some option to flip your video or image right here. For example, you want to flip it left right, you want to click here for left right flip, and click here for up and down flip. Okay, and you can even click here to flip 90 degree. Okay, and this is another 90 degree. So that is for the transform option in Filmora 12. And we mentioned that with this transform option, you can add animation keyframe. Okay, so let me show you how to do that. For example, here's a video, and if I want to scale it down and put it at the center, I can just add a keyframe right here at the transform tab. So this is a transform, so I'm going to click here to add a keyframe, and then I can move my playhead to some frame forward, and then I can scale it down, but I have to lock the scale first. So I'm going to adjust this slider to scale it down to the center. Okay, something like this, and I can play the video. just scale it down to the center. Added to that, I can also rotate the video with its rotation. Okay, so I can rotate it here, and being mentioned that Filmora 12 will add a new keyframe for the rotation. Okay. Alright, so this is the transformation for the video, and you can do the same for the image. For example, let's click OK and select photo. And by the way, I'm going to select my download folder because I already download some image to my computer. Okay, for example, I can use this image, just drag and drop it onto a timeline. And this is the image. By the way, I have to get rid of the zoom in effect. So all I need to do is to select the image here and select crop tools here and go to crop, and now I want to adjust the crop area to this side, and let's click apply. Okay, so here's the image, and in order to adjust the image we have two options. The first one is to click here at the preview window, and then I can scale it down to this position. For example, it is very useful because when we talk about something, we can pop up an image or a video to illustrate that idea. Added to that, I can also add animation keyframe to create a motion for this image. I can simply double click at the image here on the timeline and then select animation. And now I have some preset animation. For example, I can select this one, pause. Okay, just double click to create some keyframe for the image, and let's play it. Nice, right? So that is for the image, and you can do the same for the text also. For example, here I want to add some text. I'm going to use the quick text tool here. Just add the text, and we have this text. Okay, just double click here and say Jacky, Nguyen, for example, my name. Okay, for the transform, I can scale it up like this and put it at the center. And sometimes if you want to adjust the scale of the text vertically or horizontally, you want to select the video tab right here. For example, this is a video tab, and if I want to scale it up and down, I can use this slider, and I can click this button to unlock the scale option. Okay, just click here to unlock, and now I can scale it horizontally like this or vertically like this. Added to that, I can also add animation keyframe to this text also. For example, at this position, I want to add one keyframe, and then I can move my playhead to some frame forward, and then I can adjust the scale, but I will lock the scale option right here, and then I can scale it down to about 0. And this is the text animation. Okay. Alright, so this is how you can adjust the transformation of a video, image, or text using Filmora 12. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. If you have any more questions, just let me know at the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.